Will ChatGPT impact the content industry? This particular question is revolving around the head of almost all the content writers out there. To give you context about ChatGPT, it is developed by a company named OpenAI in 2015 by a group of investors including Elon Musk. They developed ChatGPT 3 machine learning model which has over 175 billion parameters. Currently, it's a free tool, but will it be free forever? The founder himself is saying no. But why it cannot be free? One interesting fact here is it costs single digit cents per chat to the company whenever we give input to this tool. It is not just going to evolve content industry but coding industry as well. You can solve complex coding problems through this simple chat GPT. It is not just content industry but many other industries are going to get affected, or I would say evolve with AI tools. So people are saying AI is going to disrupt content industry. There are no more jobs for content writers, ABC, XYZ. So to end this conversation, we are going to ask ChatGPT itself that what he, she or it thinks about this particular topic. So let's get into the laptop screen. All right. Will ChatGPT replace the job of content writers? It is possible that the use of language models like ChatGPT could automate some tasks currently performed by content writers, such as generating written content for certain type of material. However, it is unlikely that ChatGPT or other language models will completely replace the need for human content writers. While the technology can generate text, it may not be able to fully replicate the creativity, critical thinking, and understanding of audience and the context that human writers bring to the process. Additionally, language models may require significant editing, fact checking, and oversight to ensure that the content they generate is accurate and appropriate. As ChatGPT says himself that critical thinking is something which will be probably always out of the range of these AI tools. But at the same time, I'll be very honest. Couple of years back when we actually started working in this content industry, we saw few tools which were doing great at that time with generating ideas, with creating social media posts, basic social media posts which needs major editing by content writers, obviously human content writers. But at the same time, we saw that we need to evolve at the same time. And from that particular time, we started behaving more as a consultant than as a content writing team. Back then, we were a team of freelance content writers, and afterward, we realized that consultant is something which is never going to get out of the league. As I said, we saw it coming that somewhere, somehow, this AI tools will be better and they will evolve, and at the same time, they will affect content industry. But if we evolve ourselves and we go hand in hand with these tools, like this tool is very good with quick research, with topic generation, with even proofreading. Not exactly proofreading, but they know the hierarchy of writing content. So in this way, these tools can be really good and speed up your process. So in this video, I wanted to convey my quick thought about ChatGPT and all the AI tools out there. I hope you liked this video and it added some perspective into your life. And let me know what do you think about ChatGPT and how it can affect the whole content writing industry. Thank you so much.